everyone, welcome back to our channel TNB Academy. If you are in quality management of the medical device industry, today's video is for you. We are breaking down the relationship between ISO 13485-2016 and ISO 9001, two major quality standards that often get compared. Are they the same? Do you need both? And which one is best for your company? Stick around and I'll answer all these questions. What are ISO 13485 and ISO 9001? First, let's start with the basics. ISO 9001 is a general quality management system standard used by businesses in any industry to improve their processes, increase efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction. ISO 13485, on the other hand, is specifically designed for the medical device industry. It builds on ISO 9001 but has additional regulatory requirements for product safety, risk management, and compliance with medical laws worldwide. So while they share similarities, ISO 13485 is more specialized and strict because patient safety is at stake. Key differences between ISO 13485 and ISO 9001. Now let's talk about the main differences. Regulatory compliance. ISO 30485 is focused on meeting global medical regulations, whereas ISO 9001 is more flexible and doesn't require regulatory compliance. Risk management. While both mention risk-based thinking, ISO 13485 requires a more detailed risk management approach, especially in design, manufacturing, and post-market surveillance. Process versus product focus. ISO 9001 focuses on process improvement, but ISO 13485 prioritizes product safety and effectiveness. Documentation and validation. Medical device companies must have a stricter documentation and validation under ISO 13485, including records of regulatory approvals. So in simple terms, ISO 9001 helps businesses run efficiently, while ISO 13485 ensures that medical devices are safe, effective, and legally compliant. Transitioning from ISO 9001 to ISO 13485. If your company is already ISO 9001 certified and wants to upgrade to ISO 13485, here's what you need to do. Increase focus on regulatory compliance. You'll need to comply with medical regulations in different countries. Enhance risk management. ISO 13485 requires a risk-based approach in all areas, from design to post-market surveillance. Improve document control. Be ready for stricter traceability, validation, and record keeping. Prepare for more audits. Unlike ISO 9001, which focuses on customer satisfaction, ISO 13485 emphasizes regulatory inspections and maintaining compliance. ISO 9001 is a broad quality standard for all industries. ISO 13485 is specifically for medical devices and includes regulatory requirements. If you are in the medical field, ISO 13485 is a must-have certification. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you working with ISO 9001 or ISO 13485? Thinking about getting certified? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quality management content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.